happens across life sciences and material science. Sometimes it is a
having thought about a lot of this for a while, going through material science, Corning and BASF have been around for 150 years and they're unkillable.
Of a clinical trial that, traditional biomarkers versus an ML model, things like that, where I think you can actually get that validation faster.